Hello and welcome to Indian Investor Hub. This channel is for Indians living in the USA who want to understand investing in a simple, clear, and practical way. In our first video, we learned one very important idea. A stock is just a small piece of a company. In the second video, we understood what the stock market is and where Indians in the USA actually buy stocks. If you haven't watched those two videos yet, I strongly recommend watching them because they make today's topic much easier to understand. Now, in this video, we're going to answer a question that confuses almost everyone in the beginning. Why do stock prices go up and why do they sometimes go down? Many people think stock prices move because of luck, news, or some big people on Wall Street playing games. But the real reason is actually very simple. Stock prices move based on one basic idea: how many people want to buy and how many people want to sell. When more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up. When more people want to sell a stock than buy it, the price goes down. That's it. No magic, no gambling, just demand and supply. To make this very easy to understand, let me explain this using a simple example from everyday Indian life. Let's go to a small Indian fruit market. Imagine you're at a small Indian fruit market. There is one vendor who has a basket of mangoes. On a normal day, around 10 people come to buy mangoes. The vendor sells mangoes for 100 rupees per kilo. Everything is normal. Now suddenly something changes. Instead of 10 people, 30 people come to buy mangoes. More people want mangoes, but the number of mangoes is still the same. So what does the vendor do? He says, the price is now 120 rupees per kilo. People still buy the mangoes. Why? Because many people want mangoes and there are only limited mangoes available. Now imagine the opposite situation. Only two people come to buy mangoes that day. Most of the mangoes are still sitting in the basket. Nobody really wants them. What does the vendor do now? He reduces the price to 70 rupees per kilo just to sell the mangoes. So the price did not change because of luck. The price did not change because of magic. The price went up when more people wanted to buy. The price went down when fewer people wanted to buy. This simple rule works everywhere. When demand is higher than supply, prices go up. When demand is lower than supply, prices go down. This is the exact same rule that works in the stock market. Nothing different. Amazon stock example. Now let's take this same mango market idea and apply it to a real company. Let's talk about Amazon. Almost every Indian living in the USA uses Amazon. We order groceries, electronics, clothes, almost everything. Now imagine this. Amazon keeps improving its business. Faster delivery, more customers, more orders, more revenue. People start noticing this. Investors start thinking, Amazon is doing very well. This company will make more money in the future. So what do? They want to buy Amazon stock. Earlier, maybe only a few people wanted to buy Amazon shares. Now, many more people want to buy them. More buyers are chasing the same shares, just like the mango market. More buyers, same supply. So the price of Amazon stock goes up. Now you might ask, that's how prices move up. Some days the price goes up, some days the price goes down. That is normal. But over many years, when a company like Amazon keeps growing its business, more and more people want to own a piece of it. And when more people want to buy than sell, the stock price moves higher over time. So remember this one simple idea. Stock prices go up for the same reason mango prices go up. More buyers than sellers. That is the whole logic. No confusion, no mystery. Just demand and supply. So now you understand why stock prices go up and down. It's not luck, it's not magic. It's simply more buyers and fewer sellers. Now, here's something to think about. Most of us were taught to save money in the bank, but saving and investing are not the same thing. In the next video, I'll explain this using a very simple example: buying a house and renting it versus just keeping money in the bank. That example will help you understand why investing makes money grow while saving mostly keeps it safe. This is Indian Investor Hub. Let's learn, invest, and grow the simple way. See you in the next video.